Hello everyone, welcome to video number 2. In this video I'm going to open up 2 Fairfield boxes. You can get these at Rite Aid, and they contain 100 cards plus one quote-unquote vintage pack, and they say on the box that 1 in every 4 boxes contains a hit. So we'll open up 2 here. I've got a bunch of these. Sold some of them on eBay. Partial benefit to charity. But I thought I'd crack open a couple here since I haven't filmed anything recently. So we're gonna open these 2 boxes up right here. See what we get. There's always been the story about being able to find a Mike Trout rookie in here, and these things are sealed good. So we'll use our scissors here, try to cut this open. Sorry for banging the camera. And actually, let's open it from the other way. That might be a little bit easier. It's been a while since I opened any of these up. I think I just did one. So here's the bottom of the box, what you get. Put our scissors down. Probably should have looked at the outside of the box first too. I'll shake everything out of there that comes. There we go. Come on out of there. And I think the last time I did it, they say that there's 100 cards. And I'm pretty sure when I counted them, there was actually maybe 101. But here's the back of the box. You say, this package is guaranteed to contain 100 baseball cards in one manufacturer sealed pack, which it does. 1 in 4 packages on average include a hit. A hit may include game used card, event used card, manufactured, autograph, or relic cards. And again, this is produced by Fairfield. They're also kind of known as drugstore packs because you can find them at like Rite Aid, CVS, I think Walgreens too. So let's take a look here what we got in the first box. There's pretty much a mixture, some new, mostly junk wax, old stuff, but every once in a while you might find something. You can get some Hall of Famers or something in here. Nothing so far, and they're all different ways here too. Rob Deere, Gary Pettis. There's our first Hall of Famer, Alan Trammell. This is frustrating. Okay, we got another Alan Trammell. So 2 Trammells. The cards don't look like they're in too bad of a shape. The other box that I opened had some dings on some of them. But these look pretty decent so far. Oh, there's a little ding on Dave Rigetti's card. Chris Hoyles, who grew up in the area that I'm from. Okay, Fernando Valenzuela. Not a Hall of Famer, but multiple All-Star. Yankees team card. That's a sticker from Fleer. Remember those? Mike Easler, Neil Allen, Steve Trout. Ooh, there's an 81 Downers. So far, actually these 2 look like they're the oldest ones that we have here so far. It's pretty cool. There's our pack. 1990 Upper Deck, 2nd year, I believe. We'll save that and open open that later. I think I'm going to do a video of all the unopened packs from these Fairfield boxes, so we'll save those. Okay, here's some more recent ones. So far, nothing really stands out. I've got about half the stack to go. Oh, there's a good one. So that's a decent one. Probably a future Hall of Famer there. Reggie Harris, Van Gree, Mark Salas. Our famous checklist from 1990. Donruss, Pat Dobson, Future Stars. Oh, there's a good one too. And that's not a. It's in pretty good shape. Well, it's got a little bit of wax on the back. That's an 85. Fleer, but still Hall of Famer. So that's pretty nice, except for that wax, which was common. Record breaker, Kevin Moss, belts home runs at pace never previously attained in baseball annals. Gino Petralli, okay. Fleer All-Star Team. So I got a pretty good mix of tops. Donruss. Oh, there's Lou Whitaker, not in the Hall of Fame, but part of that great double play combination for the Tigers, the longest double play combination that played together in the history of Major League Baseball. Billy Hatcher, Ron Gant, Pete Harnish. Oops, sorry about that. Bottenfield, I mean. Let's see, flip these around. There's an oldie. Jimmy Fox, the double X. Mickey Tettleton with the Tigers. Quantrill, Brosius, Torey Lovello, he also played for the Tigers. Macklemore, Mario Diaz, Mickey Morandini, Alan Mills, Jim Dwyer, Mark Eichhorn, Spike Owen. Okay, we got here to close this out. Sammy Stewart. So pretty much all commons. Not a surprise. We get a couple Hall of Famers in there in the mix, and some good all-stars, but mostly commons. There's another older one. Christian Yelich. Good. And our last ones here. All-Star Game 2018. Moreland Beltre. Good. What year is that for him? He's been around for a while. Ken Griffey Jr. Good. That's a nice one. And another one that... let's see, 2018. So, yep, that's 2018 too. So that's it for that box. Couple Trammels, Griffey Jr. That's probably about it. Molitor, good one. We'll open the second one up here, and that's what we'll end with on this video. And we'll make one of some other ones later, and we'll open up these packs. But just fun to go through and open them up, see what you get, see what they're trying to repackage. So there we go with that. Okay, let's pull this out here. It's frustrating that these are going all different ways. Okay. Randy Myers. Here's one. Berenguer also pitched for the Tigers. There we go. We got Winfield, Hall of Famer. Bruce Hurst. Jack Wilson. Pirates. Traskell. Stadium Club there. Chris Jones. Danny Jackson. Got a little ding there. Surprised more of these aren't dinged up, but at least that's good. But most of them are not. Ricardo, remember him. Mike Young, Javi Lopez, Donruss Elite. Goes off there. Yep, here's the pack. 1991 Fleer. 14 cards, 1 sticker. And you got the offer on the back that was common on most of these packs. $5.49 delivered mini album. So we'll stick that with our other one there. Let's see if we can find a Hall of Famer. We haven't found one yet, except for that Winfield one, that team card. Homburg there. Let's see. Dwight Gooden, All-Star, many times. Bob Shirley, Clay Parker, another 81 Donruss. Ooh, we just found our hit. Kyle Lobstein, authentic signature, Razor exclusive. You can see that. Sorry for the glare. Pretty cool. So out of the 2 boxes that I've opened, I got a hit. So we beat our odds there. You have received an autographed 2008 Razor Signature Series autograph card. This card bears the authentic signature, which Razor guarantees as authentic. Not only does Razor bring you authentic signatures, we bring you exclusive signatures. Look for exclusive, the exclusive tag, and happy prospecting. I've never even heard of that. ES29, which is exclusive signature, and then it's card 29. So that's pretty cool. There's the thickness on it. So I'll put that in a sleeve and a top loader. So pretty neat signature. And we'll set that off here. So that's cool. So we got our hit. Logan Morrison. Topps Chrome. Like those cards. Okay, what else we got here? Ross Detweiler. Bundy. Jason Grilly. Come on. These are backwards. Andy Pettit. That's a good one. League Leaders. I think actually I got that in my last box that I opened up. That's kind of strange. Asdrubal Cabrera. Matsuzaka. Jonathan Papelbon. That's a good card. All right. I haven't noticed any rookie cards in here with rookie designation on it. Maybe I'm just going too fast through here. There's a rated rookie. Okay, who else we got here? Ooh, the great neon John Schmaltz. There we go. He's a Hall of Famer. Excellent. Leaf preferred. Very good. Always like it when we get our Hall of Famers. And usually what I get Hall of Fame wise is I will always put my Hall of Famers in a sleeve and generally a top loader, even though they may be considered, you know, I guess pretty common Hall of Fame cards, but I still treat them as Hall of Famers. So that's just what I do, my preference. Okay, what do we got here? Jim Abbott, University of Michigan, through a no-hitter. Cal Daniels, Marty Barrett. Oops, sorry about that. If they don't have dings, they might have them now. There's one up there. I don't know if I did that or not. Sorry about that. Sandy Alomar, it's good. It's a good one. Yaz, all right. Grew up watching Yaz for the hated Red Sox. That's good. I think that's a rack pack insert there. Corners look pretty good on that. Ron Gant. Lino DeSeals. Graham. Williquist. Kurt Schilling. Probably should be in the Hall of Fame. Probably will be in the Hall of Fame. If he maybe can just go silent for a little bit. But he had a very good career. Not saying that I don't disagree what he said, what he says, but that may hinder him from getting in. It shouldn't, but it's just the way it is now, I guess. Roberto Kelly. Morty, Kevin Bass, and here's the last of what we have. Wally Ritchie, Charlie O'Brien, Tom Browning. Okay, what else we got? Sorry about the glare. I'm trying to keep them tilted up so there is no glare, so you can see Robbie Thompson, Gary Pettis. Lovely checklist. Charlie O'Brien again. Vern Smith. Tom Prince. Okay. Kevin McReynolds. Rick Russell. He had a long career. Look at that. Started with the Cubs in '72, and this card is 89. Fleer, long career for him, and by this point he had won 194 games, about 19 more than he had lost, but just a long career for him. And let's get through the last of these. Kevin Gross, Alfredo, Bob Boone. Okay, team card for the A's. Oh, Jose Altuve. Nice. Nice card. That's his first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6-year card, I guess. Nice. And the last two, Greg Gagne. And another All-Star Game card. 2018 Washington D.C. So we got a couple Hall of Famers in that pack, that box. Not as many as the first one that we did, but you know, it's just fun to go through. I mean, I think the range of the cost of these at Rite Aid are $4.99 regular, and you might be able to get them at $3.99 sometimes when they're marked down on clearance, or they're run a special, but not too bad. Good for maybe some beginning collectors who would just want to get a sampling of some older cards that are, you know, considered junk wax, but still fun to go through. Always have, just like going through packs. You might consider it a little waste of money, but you know, you might get something every once in a while in there. But if you just enjoy opening and going through stuff, you know, you could pick up a couple boxes and see what you get. So like I said, I've sold a couple on eBay for benefit of charity. I still got a bunch of them left that I will probably open up again for another short video. So actually we've gone about 21 minutes on this. So thanks for watching this, and we'll see you next time for video number 3.